Okay everyone, we got 4 tacks coming with the 650.
Let's go over the race car over 6. And it's just been racing.
Good, God.
Just
Oh, we got the VL wheel control. VL.
I don't know, maybe 20 metres ahead of me here. Tell us a little bit about this beautiful car. We've got plenty of stars at the show. We've got one of the stars at the show. Have a look at and meet as well. We've just met. First of all, congratulations for putting on this
Quattro TT.
You must be stoked when you just stand.
Ooh, the GTR. Nice. Look at this. Yeah, buddy. Enter the Mazda. AMG.
Cool bit. It's a cool bit. including a
go everyone, this concludes Oliver's Cars and Reviews for the 2025 Canberra Festival of Speed. So this has been absolutely amazing at the Canberra Festival of Speed. Would I definitely come again next year? 100%. This was absolutely wicked. It was just like, I've never been before, but sort of like the Goodwood Festival of Speed, but that's Goodwood. But Canberra, this was absolutely amazing. Got to see a whole bunch of nice cars that I've never seen before, and got to share my knowledge on them. It was absolutely amazing. I met a whole heap of new people as well. Even I met a couple of Oliver's Cars and Reviews subscribers, and that was absolutely amazing. So the whole day was amazing. And if you want to see supercars and classic supercars and modern supercars as well, and also classic cars in general, the Canberra Festival of Speed is the place for you to come to next year, 100%. But anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell down below as well, and make sure to follow all of my social medias as well, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Links will be down in the description below. But anyways, this is Oliver's Cars and Reviews, and we'll see you all in that next video. Cheers everybody, OCAR signing out.